Master the art of workplace writing, crafting effective emails and letters. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new episode focused on improving your English language skills. Today, we are going to delve into an essential aspect of professional communication: paragraph structure and organization in workplace emails and letters. Mastering this will significantly enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your communication, so let's get started. First things first, why is paragraph structure important? Well, organized paragraphs make your writing clear and understandable. Each paragraph should contain one main idea, and everything within that paragraph should support that idea. Remember, clarity is key in professional communication. Now that we know the importance, let's understand the structure. A good paragraph typically follows a three-part structure. 1. Topic sentence. This is the opening sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. 2. Supporting sentences. These sentences provide information, evidence, or explanations that support the main idea. 3. Concluding sentence. This is the last sentence that summarizes the main idea or provides a transition to the next paragraph. It's a good practice to keep your paragraphs short in professional emails and letters. Long paragraphs can seem intimidating or confusing, so aim for about 3 to 6 sentences per paragraph. Organizing paragraphs in your emails or letters can be a game changer. Here are some quick tips to help you out. 1. Begin with the most important information. Your first paragraph should present the primary purpose of your communication. It's crucial because recipients often decide whether to continue reading based on the first few lines. 2. Use one paragraph for each idea or point. This makes your email or letter easy to scan and understand. 3. Summarize and conclude. Your last paragraph should summarize the main points and provide any necessary call to action. Remember, a well-structured email or letter can ensure your message is effectively communicated and understood. And there you have it. We've explored the importance and structure of a good paragraph, and also how to organize these paragraphs within your professional emails and letters. Always remember, good structure and organization are crucial for effective communication. It's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Thanks for joining us in today's episode. We hope you found this discussion beneficial, and we look forward to helping you improve your English skills even further in our next videos. Until then, happy writing!